Hello, this is my post analysis analysis to trade the 1 hour in 5 minutes. So my explanation that I scratched my trade from this area very early on. I wasn't really confident from that area that I took from it, so it went down all the way. So I was expecting to all the way up, but that's when I come with my psychology of my mind. So I should just took the profit and leave it here, but they go all the way down. So I scratched a trade, so I didn't lose anything. It was even out from there because I knew this area from this top from here. From that, I would be reacting, even though my brain was hijacked, like it's not reacting. But throughout the experience that I've been going through with this, and was a great way for me to remind myself that I just scratch a trade from this area, and the risk wasn't really that good from of what I knew that the stop loss will probably go over here to come. So basically it was an emotion I was going to chase this trade for a bit, but I was aware to that to calm down. But the thing is that I would be better that I took a trade from here that pops and then go for the ride from this area, and would give me like that art. But right now I took a trade, scratch off, didn't lose anything. But then I was an opportunity. I just waited for going down, but the time was taking a lot of time. It was an hour ahead, so I was really relaxing from there, and took a trade from this area. So once it knocked this seller out, I felt that I took very early on that trade, and I knew that there is some reaction from here. I should let it react from here. But I'm in the 5 minute of that interest. But and I pretty sure that I draw a P right here that I'm in the buy side, and I'm also in the buy side because the direction is going to buy it. But then I see the left side. There's also I'm aware from that area. So I do the analysis all the way. So the daily was going it broke out and it's preparing to go lower, but at that point I stopped my trade from there because that was my first analysis, and I wanted to reanalyze this area again and what is going on. Then I should have took the trade. So what I should have improved is just took a trade from here, and yeah, and I took the second trade and I scratched it up from this area. I this is stock market. I couldn't really put like 10% or 80%, so I took uh full ownership to take out and see what's the next day what what's the next day they react from this area, and what the next day what I'm looking for that they break out and create a breakout and create another P and then another S from here, so I could take it back up from here from that area. But there's two ways to play out because if it go down, if it go down, I have another play from this area. Just go down from here and get out from this area. So yeah, that's my post analysis. 5 minute and 1 hour trade, and I got a win from how many hours did I win there? Yeah, I win 1.41 R, and it was pretty good. Yeah, it was good.